Paramilitary 2 distills the full-service cutting performance of Spyderco's iconic military model into a more compact, easy-to-carry package. Its full flat ground blade is crafted from CPM S30V stainless steel and is available in either a plain edge or fully serrated spider edge configuration. The blade's fully accessible trademark round hole allows swift one-handed opening with either hand, and a textured index finger choil allows a forward position grip during precise cutting chores. The Paramilitary 2's handle is built on a framework of skeletonized stainless steel liners that also provide the foundation of its patented compression lock mechanism. Stronger than a conventional liner lock, the compression lock also allows the knife to be safely and easily closed with only one hand. The handle's liners are nested within peel-ply textured G10 scales to create a slim, open-back construction that is lightweight and easy to clean. The handle also includes a 4-position pocket clip that supports ambidextrous tip-up or tip-down carry, and a large lined lanyard hole.
Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Lucas Burnley designed Squid. This is a beautiful little knife designed as an EDC folder. It is smaller, compact. Lucas designed it as kind of like the knife version of a compact pistol. You can see some of those lines and different feel there. It is a smaller knife, but I've been carrying one for 2 weeks and I really enjoy it, really love it. Here's some of the specs on it. The overall length on it is 5.7 inches. The blade length is 2.1 inches, so it's under that 3 magic number there, so you can carry it in places where 3-inch blades, over 3-inch blades are illegal. You can see Squid Burnley design on the one side. It's got an ambidextrous thumb stud for easy left or right-handed opening. I like the jimping on the spine there. The closing on this knife, it is a frame lock. You can see, just push over there and pull the blade down to close it. I love the black stonewash. So basically we put a black coating on there and then tumble it with a bunch of stones to give it that look and feel. The pocket clip is deep carry, tip-up carry only. Here's a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides. Here's a shot of it in my hand. Now, some people might complain this is a small knife. It's going to be good for smaller hands. At the same time though, there is a lanyard hole there, so you can attach your own lanyard, put a skull bead or whatever bead on there. It's going to give you a lot more real estate there in the hand. It comes in a satin version as well, satin stonewash I should say. They're fun to flick and just play with. Again, a smaller knife. The weight on it is 3.4 ounces. The handles are stainless steel. Designed by Lucas Burnley in New Mexico. Let me show you one shot of it against this ruler right here to give you an idea of how big it is. Very great knife for EDC, everyday carry, and just a great little pocket knife designed by Lucas Burnley. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
This is the Gerber Mini Paraframe Tonto. It's a lightweight folder with a pocket clip on the back, weighing just 1.5 ounces. Up top here, you have a blade. It's full fine edge across the bottom. You've also got a Tonto tip, which is great for prodding and slicing. Really easy to open with one hand or both hands. It's the Gerber Mini Paraframe Tonto.
The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
Today we're going to show you how to use a folding knife equipped with a liner lock. With a liner lock, the locking mechanism is hidden within the handle. This particular knife is equipped with spring assist and also has a flipper and a thumb stud as 2 ways of deploying the blade. To use the flipper, apply pressure and the blade will do the rest. So use the thumb stud, push towards the side of the thumb stud, and the blade comes out just the same. To disengage the blade, you want to push the liner lock towards the left and move the blade into the closing position.